Hey there, I hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear out your social emails that come in on Gmail, as well as your promotions. For example, you might have some newsletters, etc. Now, what we need to focus on, in my instance over here on my email account, I've cleared it out already, so it just comes up as 1% of 15 gigabytes used. But some of you, it might show up as maybe 14.23 GB, which would be roughly 99% of Gmail that's been used, of your free allotment that you allotted. If that's the case, you definitely would need to clear out your junk, or you're going to have to be paying Google to have extra space, maybe 100 gigabytes for a fee. I think the fee is about approximately $20 a year. And you do want to be doing that when you can actually clear out this section of space and maybe bring it down to 10 gigabytes if you're already reaching that 15 GB limit. So I'll show you the best way to sort it out. And I know how boring it can really get to having to go through your emails, and how are you going to segregate the important stuff from the not so important stuff. For example, do you really require social media emails to come in and notifications? That is also taking up a lot of space on your Gmail. So you don't really require that, where you can delete those emails at one go, and you can clear out all the clutter and junk and not get bored having to, go through each page, etc. And also, do you really require newsletters from promotions? No, that is taking up space as well. As you can see over here, I've got my social over here, which I don't require any of these emails to be seen here. Nor do I require promotions for newsletters, for things I've signed up to, but I don't really need them. And I don't want to be clicking on each email, checking unsubscribe. That's going to take me a lot of time. I don't have time to do any of that stuff. So I'm going to show you today the best way and the quickest way to clear out your junk emails and get that space that you're so needing back. Okay, all you need to do is, guys, follow me here. All you got to do is, you can see here primary. All you have to do is go to search mail and type in this. Okay, I'll tell you what to type in. You just have to, I'm just gonna paste this. If you can make note of this particular not really code, but just this line. Okay, it's, you gotta do is that category promotions older than. Now I'm setting my older than 1 month, but in case you have, because my email address is not that old, so I'm setting that as 1 month. But if in case you have an old Gmail address, you can set it to 2 years or 3 years or 5 years, whatever. What's gonna happen is it's gonna make sure that all those emails from those years are collected at one go. So the best thing to do for me, and for example, I'm just doing it for 1 month, older than 1 month. I want the rest cleared. And over here you can see my total is 20.23 GB, which is roughly around 1% of 15 gigabytes. I'm going to try and drop this down from 0.23 to maybe, who knows, maybe 0.01 gigabytes, who knows. Let's have a look and see how much we can take this down by deleting stuff. Okay, so here goes. I'm going to delete this. All I need to do is hit enter, and it's going to change and bring it up something like this. Okay, so these are all the mails. I've got about 72 of them, and I want to delete them at one go. All I need to do is click on this bar here, select. That's going to be selected. Select all conversation and match the search. So that's the search that's conducted. As you can see, it's taking it all the way from the 5th of Feb. Yes, so I need to delete this in the trash. So I'm going to delete it, and it's loading. It's going to delete, right? So 50 conversations, move to bin. I'm also going to do the same thing one more time and select all and delete this. Yep, cool. So no reply, don't need any of that. I'm going to take that off as well. So there you go, guys. This is still going to show as 0.23 GB, no change here. What happens is all these emails that I've deleted are going to go into my trash. And if you want your space to be cleared, you have to make sure you delete that stuff from trash. Or if you don't delete it, it's not going to get deleted. You'll still see no change over here. Okay, so if you're stuck on 14.23 gigabytes, you have to make sure it's deleted to take you back up to maybe 10 gigabytes of space. All right, having said that, let's do something else. How do we deal with what we've done is we've just checked the primary. How do we delete our maybe promotions? How do we delete newsletters? I don't have too many newsletters here, but some might still be stuck. So there is a special code for that. Let me just take you there. Now for articles like newsletters, etc., for emails such as newsletters, all we need to do is enter this piece of code, which I'm going to show you right here. It's actually category updates space comma older underscore Dan. Like I said, I'm doing it for 1 month. You can do it for a couple of years, depending how old your email address is, and hit enter. So there you go, guys. This is your newsletters. So do you really want any of these newsletters? I might need a few here and there, which I think, oh, these might be important. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it as it is because I might need them. But what about your socials? Okay, now we have socials over here. I don't need any of these socials, right? These are from your Facebook, from LinkedIn. With socials, all we need to do is just change promotions to socials. Okay, I'm gonna paste that here one more time. So previously, if you looked over here, it was promotions, but now we just need to change that to socials and enter. And there you go. You're gonna get all your social emails coming in. Okay, so that's gonna be the best way to delete them. Okay, I'm gonna click on delete, and I'm gonna delete it in one go, and I still have more messages to do. Again, right click this, select at the top so that everything gets selected. Click on the bin. All right, guys, so you get the point as to how it needs to be done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just show you what needs doing next. There you go. So it's all done. What we need to do is click on more, and we need to go to our bin, our trash. Okay, so that's all sitting right here. As you can see, this number's not changed. It's 0.23 GB. What we need to do now is empty the bin now, and unless and until we empty the bin, we won't be able to see a change over here. Okay, so let's empty it and see what happens. Empty bin now. Yeah, this actually will affect all 1,205 conversations bin. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, okay. And it's gonna take a little while to delete. I don't believe it'll be too long. Okay, now let's in trash. Okay, so I don't really see a change over here, but let's go and let's check on manage. There you go. You can see the change right here. From 0.23 is now moved to 0.15 GB or 15. So just about 1% used. Perfect. So that's exactly what I wanted. So it's possibly going to take a while to update itself. Yeah. When you go to manage, it comes up as 0.15. So that's what it is, guys. Thank you very much. If you found this video useful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And until next time, you take care, and I will speak to you soon on the next video. Bye for now.